What's up, everyone? Hey there, my friends. How are you today? My name is Neo Rise Up. Neo Rise Up. Rise Up Champions! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. My name is Neo Rayos. Welcome to Nuggets Neo, Rise Up Champions. Bakit ako tumitingin ito? Because I'm recording dito sa phone and dito sa laptop ko. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing awesome today. Look, can I ask you a personal question? Can I ask you something personal? When was the last time that you actually believed, not hoped, not wished, but genuinely believed that you were built for this? Right? Kailan yun? Yung hindi ka nag-hope, talaga alam mo na, I'm made for greatness. I'm made for this. You know, why am I asking? Let that sink in. Why am I asking this question? Because the last time that we had this broadcast, I told you about the F5 Freedom Framework. By the way, Break the Code Challenge for the F5 Freedom Framework is happening on April 27th, 8 p.m. Manila time. So register on the link below, huh? Okay. F5 Freedom Framework, it was not born in a classroom, okay? It was built in the lowest season of my life. See? Kasi nagre-record din ako, kaya tumitingin ako dun, alright? It was born in the lowest season of my life. Now today, I want to tell you what held the whole thing together. You know, before the framework even had a name, bago pa nagkaroon ng pangalan yung framework na yan. It was not strategy that held it together. It was not a mentor. It was not a new business model. It was F1. And kaya nga F5, di ba? Alam mo ba ha? Yang F5 ha? Lima yan. Kaya nga F5 eh. And this is F1. It was F1 that held it together. Remember? During for those of you who have computer classes before, and even now, using your keyboard, this one. If you wanted if you wanted help or assistance sa ginagawa mo, press F1. F1 for help. Naalala ko lang. Back in the day, we have a colleague. Ang tawag namin sa kanya si F1. Kasi, bakit F1? Kasi if you have a problem, computer related or whatever, you have a problem, lagi namin sasabihin niya, ay may problema kami, we have a problem with this, blah, blah, blah. Press F1, call this. Press F1. So yun, that's F1. Anyway, bigla tayong nahiwalay. F1, it's not a strategy. So it's what held F5 together. Nawawala na. What held F5 together is not strategy. It's not a mentor. It was not a mentor. It was not a new business model. It was F1. And F1 is just one word. And that is faith. Now let that sink in. Faith. Faith meaning your belief. Look, here's what nobody's telling you. When you decide to build something on your own, pag nag-start ka na, you decided, I'm going to build this. I'm going to build my business. I'm going to chase my dream. The moment you say yes to your dream, you enter a war. Let me say that again. The moment you enter a dream, or the moment you decide that you're going to build something, the moment that you say yes to your dream, to building your dream, you enter a war. And this war is a war not with the market, not with your competition, not with the algorithm. The war is here. It's in your mind. I have been through this. I've gone through lots of coaches and mentors. Ang lagi nilang sinasabi, especially Tony Robbins when I attended UPW, lagi nilang sinasabi, success is 80% in your mind, then 20% on the how. You have to win in your mind first. You win in your mind, then you do exactly what you need to do, and then you are going to succeed. Believe me. So it's not. It's a mind. It's a war that you're entering. It's not a war with the market, not with your competition, not with algorithm. It's a war in your mind, mindset. You know, every morning, do you know this? You wake up for two versions of you. Meron kang doppelganger. There are two versions of you every morning when you wake up, and they compete for the day. Okay, the first one knows exactly why he is building something, who is he building it for, and what he is capable of doing. So alam niya, ito yung gagawin ko, ito yung i-build ko, para kanino to, ano yung kaya kong gawin, ano yung experiences ko, ano yung competencies ko. I know my competencies, I know my experiences, I know the journey that I've had, that I've been through. Alam niya yun. And he knows, he decided that he's going to do it. I call him the sovereign builder. Right? He is a sovereign builder. That's one version of you. The second version, the second one, wakes up already behind. Oh, feeling overwhelmed. Ito na naman. Ay, nako, busy na boy ito. Already bracing for whatever is going to go wrong before they actually, or before it even goes wrong. Ina-anticipate na niya, sablay ako dito, hari ng sablay. Oh, ito na naman, dami-dami kong ginagawa. So that's the second version of you. And I call him the CEO, the Chief Everything Officer, CEO. Now, overwhelmed siya sa kanya lahat. Chief Everything Officer, he does everything. And we're going to discuss that in detail moving forward, especially during the challenge. Well, like a commercial break about that challenge, because I really want you to be there. I invite you to that challenge. May link below. So in most days, that's the CEO. So you have the sovereign builder here, then you have the CEO here, the Chief Everything Officer. But in most days, the Chief Everything Officer wins. Well, not because he's stronger, but because he is louder. Siya yung rah, 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 rah. Ano to? Bakit ganito? Bakit ganito? Bakit ganito? Diba? It resonated on, most of the time, hinahayaan natin manalo yung CEO, not the sovereign builder. You know, in my lowest season, I had every reason to believe that the Chief Everything Officer was right. Businesses that I started, ventures that did not work, that I spent years building someone else's organization while mine, it waited. Tapos, nagtatrabaho ka, binibuild mo, ginagawa mo lahat, and eventually, in the end, you were not valued. A framework in my mind that was just a feeling, not a system yet. Hindi pa buo. Not even a name, not a proof point. Just a feeling that there's something worth building. Na meron dito eh. You know, the only thing that kept the sovereign builder in me alive during this season was not strategy. It was decision. A decision that what God had placed in me, you know, the journey that I've been through, that more than 2 decades experience in frameworks, in business systems, in sales processes, in training, learning and development, and all those marketing, sales, you know, the frameworks forming in my mind, the capacity to build systems that would set people free. That was not an accident. I was made for that. All this time, hindi ko nakikita yon because of the Chief Everything Officer and because of what happened, because of the conditioning, the framing that was placed in the codes that was placed in my mind, because of my experiences, especially in the lowest point last year. And I always say this, you know, we are made in the image and likeness of our God, our Creator, which means creation is not optional to us. Hindi siya optional. It is innate to us. It is our nature. And this F5 framework was created out of that. And we're talking about F1. F1 is not motivation. The whole F5 framework is not motivation. In fact, it's architecture. It is architecture. You're building systems architecture around that. Now, you cannot build a foundation that you don't believe in first. The first foundation is this. You were made for this. Let me say that again. You were made for this. Not because you are perfect, not because you have figured it out, not because you figured it out, but because the impulse to build something is in you, but because you are loved and that impulse to build something is in you. You wanted to build something that outlasts your presence. That is the DNA or the blueprint of the Creator in us. That is God's fingerprint on us, how we are wired. Imago Dei. We are made in the image and likeness of God. Let that sink in. And because you are made in the image and likeness of God, you are made to create something beautiful, something great for people around you, so that you will bless people, that you will become a rich blessing for others. Madalas namin naririnig to, madalas natin naririnig, and I would reiterate it with you and re-echo it. Kung hindi nyo pa naririnig, I would like to tell it to you that you may be in a mess right now, but remember this. Your mess right now will be your message moving forward. Just have to accept that. Believe that there's something. Believe that you were made for this, because you are being honed and you are being molded into something great, something beautiful by the Creator itself. So, before we talk systems, before we talk funnels or finance or freedom, let me ask you again this question. Do you actually believe you deserve to succeed? Not I hope so, not I'm working on it. Do you believe it? Because I've watched brilliant people, talented people, better connected with cleaner opportunities. They collapse right before the breakthrough. Not because the funnel is not working, not because the funnel is wrong, but because they did not believe at the level where it actually counts, that they were worth the result. F1, faith, is the code that breaks that cage first. Everything else we build, it sits on that foundation. And we are going to tackle this further. We're going to deep dive on how to do this on April 27th. Break the Code Challenge, 8 p.m. Manila time. This is exactly where we're going to start. Not the funnel, not the offer, but with our identity. Because a sovereign builder with a broken strategy can fix the strategy. But a chief everything officer with a perfect funnel will still find a way to sabotage it kung hindi klaro if the identity, his identity, is not clear. So, April 27, 8 p.m., Break the Code Challenge, huh? So we will start with the foundation. So, just one nugget that I'm leaving to you today, we're living with you today. The battlefield is not your market. It's not your competition. The battlefield is your own mind. And faith is the only weapon that wins it. I guess, you know? Yay, that's it for now. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. So I'd like you to share this, comment faith if this resonated with you, and then share this to people, share this with your circle who knows someone somewhere, someone out there would need a message like this. Makakatulong pa tayo. Let's make this world a better place. Alright? Nagets nyo? That's it for now. My name's Neo Rayos. Nuggets Neo. Ciao. See you tomorrow. God bless us all. God bless you wherever you are. Morning, afternoon, evening. Break the Code Challenge. Click the link below. Right? Bye-bye. God bless you. Yay!